then the level 2, we can also do the cobra, when you come up in between the client's legs. Make sure your knees are on the glutes. Once we're into the glutes, and maybe in a comfortable position. Again, maybe warm the back up first. Like I say, I don't use the palms because that's a strain for me. I'll tend to use the platinum knuckles and work much better that way with less strain for me. And you go up and down the back a couple of times, and I'm just going to warm down the back up before we're taking into a bit of stretch. When you're ready, work up the back. This is the top. You will need to change to arms again. Down to the palms. You can ask the client again to take hold of the wrist. If the client to take a nice slow deep breath in and breathe out. On the out breath, you're going to take them into that cobra position. Lay your head down gently. You might want to give them a rest there for a few seconds. You can work back up the arms, back onto the back. I'm going to take the client's feet, again, just as far as they want to go, over the head. Again, you're going to work with the breath. Just slow deep breath in for me, Di. And breathe out. Again, Di is very flexible, so she's actually going to touch there. At any point you're uncomfortable, just tap on the floor. That feels far enough for Di. Without forcing anything. Good. And then push against me. And again, unwrap your spine. Vertebra, vertebra, vertebra. Nice and slow by using your legs against my hand. So again, you only take your client's feet over as far as they want to go.